ratio. What do you mean by ratio? Ratio is nothing but it is an ordered comparison of two same quantities, not different quantities. Okay, so two same quantities comparison we will say in a ratio form. See here, so suppose A is one quantity, B is another quantity, so A is to B is equal to, we can represent the proportion as A is to B, that is equal to fractional form A by B. Okay, so here A is known as antecedent, sorry, B is known as consequent. Okay, so for example, see here, I have two types of buttons over here. One is red button, remaining two are green buttons. Okay, now tell me what is the fraction that red buttons are there in total buttons, that is 1 by total 3. Similarly, see how many green buttons do I have here. So 2 out of 3, this is regular we will say. Now I will compare these two, see how many red buttons were there versus green buttons. So 1 is to 2. Similarly, one more example, see here. So 1 red button, 3 green buttons I have taken. So now see what is the part that red buttons has in total buttons is 1 by 4. And what is the part that green buttons has is 3 by 4. But what is the ratio between these two? That means what is, how many red buttons were there versus the green buttons, that is 1 is to 3. Okay, understood the ratio? We are comparing the same things. Okay, we are comparing the same things in a fraction form or a ratio form. Okay, this is nothing but comparing. So we are telling how much part is there in total. But here we are telling that how many red buttons versus green buttons are there in the given group. That is what we are discussing here, right? So ratio application in our real life is this one. See, two colors are mixed in a particular ratio to get a new color. See, cyan and magenta colors were mixed in a particular ratio to get the purple color here. Okay, if you change the ratio, the color also will change. So in a particular ratio of these two colors, so it will give you a new color. Okay, so this is one application in our real life. Even our national flag is also having certain ratio of length and breadth, that is 3 is to 2. So see, 3 is to 2 ratio. This is 3 means this is 2. Okay, simply we will represent the length is 3x and width is 2x. Okay, so like this is one application of our ratio. Okay, next one, even in cycles or in motorbikes there will be two wheels. So one big wheel and one small wheel, gear wheels we will say. So these two, the number of wheels will be in a particular ratio. See here, suppose here 30 teeth are there. So this small wheel has 10 teeth. So what is the ratio? 30 is to 10. So that is the ratio they will maintain. Okay, to fit exactly in that automobile.